What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you like how you can connect CJ to Shopify and also how you can list products and more. So all you have to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, to create a Shopify store with CJ, first you need to create your Shopify store. So it doesn't need to be like, you don't need to customize your online store, you don't need to add anything to your online store. You can like start listing products from CJ to your Shopify store without doing any of that. Okay, so it will make sense in a few seconds. Just keep watching. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to create an account on CJ, which that's what I'm going to do right now. Now you want to go to cj.com, as you can see here, and you want to click on register. So after, guys, you click on register, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on you want to log in, or I'm sorry, you want to register using Google or Facebook or whatever you are comfortable with. So after you register, guys, on CJ, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to connect CJ to Shopify. Now you want to click on authorization and you want to select Shopify so that we can connect our Shopify store to CJ. Okay, now after you create, guys, your Shopify store, you can link it or you can connect it by clicking on authorization like I showed you, and you want to select Shopify and then click on add store, and then you want to click on authorize. After you click on authorize, it will take you directly to Shopify App Store. As you can see, you want to click on add app, and you want to click on you want to click on here. So I guess we have successfully, click it again, we have successfully connected our Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. Yeah, you want to click on install app. This is very important to install the app, and as you can see, it will directly, guys, it will take you directly to your CJ account. Okay, you want to click on authorize, click confirm, click again authorize, and what you need to do, guys, as you can see, guys, it says here authorization success. That means we have successfully connected our CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now I want to scroll down a little bit and you want to click list now. Now what you need to do, guys, is to list a product inside your Shopify store. Now you can push products from CJ to your Shopify store. Now to do that, you just want to find a product that you think is a winning product. So I'm not going to show you that part, guys. You need to find winning products that people are interested in, so that you can do an ad, or do so that you can advertise the product on platforms like TikTok, Facebook. But I don't really recommend Facebook because everyone is like using Facebook right now. So you want to go with TikTok, like the free organic traffic. You can just create a video about a product, or you can find the video inside CJ, as you can see, like this product. Now if you click on this product, you will find the video, as you can see. So you can just download this specific video and you can start advertising. Like you can start you can make a video and post it on TikTok, and you want to add the URL of your Shopify store inside your TikTok bio, so that if this video goes viral, people are going to visit your store and you will make the purchase. Now what I didn't tell you, guys, after someone makes a purchase inside your Shopify, CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer, so you don't have to do anything. So like I said, after you open any product, you can list it by like scrolling down a little bit. Just scroll down a little bit, click list, and you want to click on product type. You want to click on add new, and you want to add here like product type is like for example dogs. Okay, and here where it says vendor, you can just select with whatever you want. For example, you can add here a new, and then you want to add test. And the price of the product is very important, but first you need to select here CJ packet sensitive, because this one is fast, like the shipping time is very fast. So like I said, if someone places an order on your Shopify, CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer. Now what you need to do, guys, as you can see, the price of the product is around like $10. So you want to increase the price. For example, I would go with 90. If you are using organic traffic, increase it by like $9. So you can just add the price to all the different variations in here. You just want to add here 90 and click OK, and you want to click on list it now. So if you click on list it now, as you can see, it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing state on listing. Listed products can be managed and listed. So after you list this product, like I said, if someone buys this product from you, like CG will ship the product automatically to the customer. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say here. I just want to wait for it to, as you can see here. So we have successfully listed the product. As you can see, this is the product, and if someone buys this product, like I said, CG will ship the product automatically to the customer. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.